Hey guys, it's Alva. So today we're going to be talking about one of the last taboos in tattoos, and that of course is numbing cream. We're going to be going over the do's, don'ts, and the whys of numbing cream. First and foremost, don't show up to your appointment with numbing cream before consulting your artist. It's one of the biggest mistakes you can make. I know artists that will literally send you home over showing up with numbing cream without consulting them. There are certain creams on the market that not only make it really hard for us to tattoo you, but the overall healing process for the tattoo and the overall healed tattoo doesn't look good. And so why waste your time, right? Okay, so now that you made sure that your artist is okay with you using a numbing cream, what numbing cream should you use? Along with my clients' participation, I have tried quite a variety of tattoo numbing creams, and the one that I have today I found by accident. Now, before I go any further, let me just say that this is by no means a paid advertisement, or I have by any means been compensated for this reference. So, that thing that you've been waiting for and the reason you probably even clicked on this video is tattoo numbing cream. So that there is our product. So I was gonna make a video about this cream a little bit earlier because I had a lot of clients asking me about what they should use, and not just clients, I had a lot of friends asking me sometimes like why my sessions go so long, and it's not really because of the numbing cream, it's because I take a lot of precautions. I work the skin very lightly, but I have had experiences in which the client can't sit whatsoever, in which case I recommend tattoo numbing cream. So I'll make sure to put a link down below for you to check out their website. It does, however, take some time to get to you. I actually wasn't sure about making this video because I did have some problems with delivery at first. About a month went by and I wasn't getting my product, so I emailed them, and it turns out my product got lost in the mail. I was a little bit peeved because I wasn't notified that my product had been returned to them. I was getting spam emails just about every day, but never a notification that my package had been returned. With that being said, I took it upon myself to email them, and they apologized for the misunderstanding. And after a few back and forths and asking me to pay for shipping again, and me denying because I didn't understand why there was a problem to begin with, they talked to their manager and they decided to send it out on them. So after about 2 months now, I finally have mine. Although I am glad I have it for those extreme emergencies in which the client can't sit. I was a little disappointed with the whole process of it. I can, however, say nice things about their customer support. They were supportive, they reached out to me, they made sure that the issue was fixed, so no bad blood there. I'm really glad to be using their product, and again, I decided to make the video anyway because, I mean, all bullshit aside, it's what I think a good product, and so far the only tattoo numbing cream that I am okay using in extreme emergencies. I will, however, say that I prefer to always do the tattoo without any numbing cream whatsoever. Most, if not all, tattoo artists will agree with my statement that it's better to not use any tattoo creams, not just because it jeopardizes the overall quality of your tattoo, but because tattoos over time have always been a ritualistic thing, and pain is part of the process. You have to earn your tattoo. You can't just expect to have the reward without paying the price for it, you know? It's like I said, it's ritualistic, and the pain is part of earning your tattoo. So make sure you earn your tattoo. Until next time, come back for more tattoo advice, and make sure that you're prepared for your tattoos. But before I forget, like and subscribe, guys.